Get it straight. Hey guys, so I'm home from my Christmas party. Ash is looking over. Thank you, Ash. Can you just shut the door, please? Hey guys, so I'm back from my Christmas party and I wanted to show you my outfit that I wore. I didn't film a get ready with me because it was so similar, like my makeup and everything, to what I've done like recently, so I was like, there's not much point. So but I wanted to show you what I did wear. I wore these lovely earrings that I picked up in India for like super cheap, so they were perfect for this outfit actually. I wore this necklace that I picked up in Topshop last week for about £15. I actually had my Mac on for when I was outside because it was freezing cold, but I'm going to show you the outfit without the Mac. So this top, now unfortunately all of my outfit is pretty old, so you probably won't be able to get hold of any of it if you like it, but I'm sure it might give you some inspiration. So I wore this very lovely beaded top from New Look, which I'd got about, I'd say I got it over 10 years ago. Can you believe that? I don't own that many things that I got over 10 years ago, but I have kept hold of this like party top just because it's perfect. Sometimes it just is the perfect thing, like it goes with so many outfits, like leather trousers. But what I wore it with is this skirt, and I'm going to try and twist you around so I can show you guys the outfit in the mirror. I hope you guys can see that. So I've got an emerald green kind of puffbally skirt on, and I've got some lovely like little socksies on and some rock chick kind of high heels with a chain, and then this, I've had pockets sewn in as well, so to make it a little bit more, I'm back, a little bit more comfortable as well, because I just love dresses and skirts and things with pockets. Sorry guys, I just want to get it right. So I'm not like, is that right? Maybe lift you up a bit. Just there. Sorry guys, I'll get there in the end. So that's my outfit that I wore for my work Christmas party over this Friday night. And I really like it. It's a little bit different from a typical Christmas party, but I don't like to wear like, you know, like a really typical kind of Christmas party dress. I just really like this outfit because this beading kind of works really well with the earrings, because they've got a little bit of black in at the top there, but also with the shoes because they've got like a bit of a rock chick vibe to them. So it's a little bit of a like a kind of girly but with a bit of an edge to it kind of Christmas party outfit. And then under this I wore, you can kind of see it from the back there, I wore like a crop top kind of, you can see there, that I picked up in did I pick that up? In Urban Outfitters in the sale for about £10. Oh, and I wore this ring, which is kind of broken, but I really like it. It's like a gold with little diamonds, and I'm going to get my dad to get one made for me in real gold in India. So anyway, I just wanted to show you guys my outfit. This is the start of the vlog, so hello everybody, and I'll try and vlog a little bit more this weekend. So update, I have to go to New York next Saturday, so basically this weekend I need to get my packing done because during the week I'm working all week, so I'm not going to get a chance. Actually, let me show you two new things that I just recently purchased. One second. One thing, funnily, is this scarf, which is very similar green to the skirt that I'm wearing. So this is it's kind of like a neck scarf, but you could also, I suppose, I bought it to wear in my hair, like so, you know, just kind of that kind of style. You guys know what I mean. Do it all a bit neater. I'm going to wear that in my hair, and I really love the green and the leopard print. I got that in Topshop for £12. And then I also, in my bag, have a mango package. And I picked up some, sorry. I picked up some leather trousers like so. Oh, I'm not sure even if I like the look of them, to be honest. I don't mind buying faux leather, but it needs to look a little bit realistic. And I don't even know if they will fit me actually. They're a small, actually they've got a bit of stretch to them. So they're like kind of a slightly jogger style, if you can see that. I'm not going to put them on for you now, guys, because I'm just a bit exhausted. My feet are killing, so I just need to kind of get out my outfit and get in my pajamas and get to bed, because it's now midnight and I've got gym in the morning as always. So yeah, there's just a couple of things I picked up. I love this scarf. It's so multi-purpose, because the other day I wore it with a jumper and I wore it around my neck like so, but then on holiday I know I'm going to wear it in my hair when I go to Thailand. But also it's the kind of scarf that you can just tie on your handbag, on your like a side bag or any kind of bag that you use, and it just gives it like a real chic glam look, if you guys know what I mean. Like, I don't know, it just like elevates the look and elevates the bag. And even if it's a cheap bag, it just makes it look a bit more expensive. So always, like, these are just such good investments, because not too big, not too small, but a great way to style them and use them. And I think Topshop, I know, have got a really good range of them, so definitely check Topshop's range out if you're interested in that. On my eyes and lips, I just did a very similar look to last week, like red carpet red from Charlotte Tilbury, and then some glitter on the eyes. Then I kind of just shoved my hair back into like some sort of weird bun thing that I didn't love, but it was what it was. But yeah, so for now, good night, guys. I am tired, and Ash is probably going to be like, come on, get to bed, because he's got to go to work in the morning, so poor thing. And he had his Christmas party tonight as well. So I will see you guys on the flip side tomorrow. I will check in with you guys. Hopefully I've got to do some packing for New York, because I've got to go next Saturday, like I said. Oh, I've got one more thing to show you. Guys, look at my new beautiful boots. They're from a brand called Sam Edelman on Revolve. Look at these bad boys. Are they not just so gorgeous? Like, they're really like well made. The studs and everything, like, they're really like solid, like very biker and very kind of the whole hiker biker thing, because they've got the kind of, but very like fashiony and on kind of more on trend rather than too hikery. But I do have a pair coming that's a little bit more like hiker boots from Revolve again, and they're from the Steve Madden range, so I'll show you them if they arrive soon. But yeah, so what do you guys think of these? I got them on Revolve if you're interested, because I'm sure they've still got them on there. I think they're about £150 or dollars, I'm not sure, I can't remember. But yeah, I love these anyway. I just want to show you them, and I'm gonna figure out how to style them, but I'm thinking black jeans or with dresses. But yeah, these are so easy to style that they're so nice. I love them. But yeah, so that's what I wanted to show you. But I'll see you in the morning, guys, or see you tomorrow at some point when I've got myself together a little bit. But right now I'm feeling exhausted, so I'm gonna take all this off, get the PJs on. Mwah. Good night. Bye, guys. Oh, guys, I'm so tired. So I'm sorry I haven't filmed again since Friday night when I went to my Christmas party, but basically since then I have just been really busy. I went to the gym on Saturday as usual, and then we just did like loads of things around the house, because the house has been a little bit kind of getting a bit messy, because Ash and I are just always working, and we just get exhausted. There's always stuff going on. So we decided to do like things like weeding and boring things that like no one likes doing, but they have to be done. So Saturday pretty much got taken up like that, of us doing things like that. And then this morning and today it's been kind of more of the same. Because I'm off to New York on Saturday, I decided I needed to get some kind of packing done. So you can see behind me here on the floor, my rail's just over here as well, because I've got clothes drying and so everything's all over the place. But I've got some clothes down here. Just close the door because the dishwasher is going. And I've just been packing for New York. So I just wanted to show you a couple of things that I've packed that I find really useful when I'm traveling. One being this little bum bag that I picked up in Mango a while ago. I actually have the Gucci one. which is very fancy, but I've not used it very much. But this one I find really good because where it has like a belt, I just put it into you know, my belt loops, that whatever jeans or bottoms I'm wearing, and then, you know, I could put my phone in here, my money in here, and then I'm just hands-free to kind of shop and look around or whatever I'm doing. So I love this. It's real suede, and yeah, I got this, I think it was about £30, but I got it a while ago. But I think there's just a little tip when you are traveling, especially when you're doing like a city break. If you're going on the beach or whatever, it might not be as useful, but if you're doing a city break, then I think like a little bum bag pouch thing like this, which you can kind of twist to the side, the front, the back, wherever really, but also safe, just because you can see where all your belongings are. The only thing is, when I have my camera with me as well, like my vlogging camera, it doesn't fit in here, so I have that on like a strap, so I can kind of wear that around my neck or crossbody or whatever. The next thing is like just this random little makeup purse that I picked up in New Look many moons ago. It's quite dirty now, but I think it's so handy for my brushes. You can see in there I've got my brushes in there, and it's such a handy thing because I find that what I do is when I pack my brushes like so, as soon as I get to my hotel room, I get one of their like cups or glasses or whatever in the bathroom, and I put all my brushes in there, which I just find so much more easier to kind of find my brushes, get ready in the morning, especially if I'm staying at a hotel for more than sort of 3 or 4 days. It's just, you want to make it like as comfortable as possible, so you can kind of spread yourself a little, and when you are getting ready and things, it doesn't take ages to like find the brush and find that or whatever. So I just really like this. I mean, a backpack, so useful for city breaks. City breaks meaning more like work trips, just because I can put my laptop and everything in here, and in the zip pocket at the front here I put my passport, so when I'm going through the airport I can just hurry up and grab my passport at any moment when you need it, or your phone, because you always need a boarding pass or your passport to show someone. And then obviously my travel cushion, which I got from Muji, and I love the fact that this one has a zip, so you can wash the actual cushion, the pillow cushion part, travel cushion part, because it gets so dirty. Like, you put your bag down, it touches the floor. So that just came out the wash actually, and I'm really glad you can wash it, because I'm sure over my last few trips it's gotten really dirty. Not that you can really see it, but more like just filthy and like unhygienic. So you don't want to like put that on around your neck or your face, because you can probably easily pick up spots and things as well. Wow, I look a bit of a mess today, don't I? Sorry guys. So one random thing I wanted to show you, which I picked up on eBay actually, is this kind of black. One random thing I wanted to show you was this blue kind of holder of kind of packing, I'm not really sure what they're called, like packing bags. And you get like, I got them on eBay for not very much, and you get like a laundry pouch and another like bigger laundry pouch, and then you get, you get 3 different size pouches like this. So they're so handy. Like, this one's got my pajamas and my underwear, and then my other 2, one's got my gym kit and one's just got some clothes in it. So just really handy when you're traveling. I don't use all of them, but sometimes I use this bigger one to put my shoes in. Like this big one, I put my shoes in it, because then, you know, like obviously you don't want your shoes to get your clothes dirty or anything like that. So yeah, so that's it really. I just want to show you a few things that I find quite essential when I'm traveling, and just really useful to me, like when I'm off on a work trip or something like that. So I think that's all for now, guys. I have packed just a few outfits really. I'm only going to be there for meetings on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, so there's no need for kind of loads of different outfits. Just gonna be office in for 3 days, and then I have 1 day on the Sunday where I can actually chill and have a day to myself. So I'll probably just have a little walk around New York and go to a few shops. And I've been watching Karen Britchick, because she actually, I think, had a video on some cool kind of undercover New York places, and I was like, oh, perfect timing. Maybe I can get some tips from her as well, of where she shops and where she goes for some cool vintage things. So I think I'll probably head around and try and grab some food. And actually, where I'm staying, there's a Whole Foods near me, and I actually love the Whole Foods. I think it's kind of pricey, but I do love the selection of food that they have in there, so I might grab some food from there on the Sunday, or wherever really. I mean, I'm sure I'll be fine. So thanks for watching, guys. I mean, this video was a little bit of just a vlog really, nothing too exciting, but I just haven't had a lot of time today, so I just thought I'd do a quick kind of vlog video and just chat to you guys on what I'm doing. And what I'll try and do, I'll try and film something in New York while I'm over there, maybe something in my room, or maybe something when I'm out and about, maybe a day in the life in New York of like what I got up to. Otherwise, please do subscribe if you haven't already, and if you have any questions or comments, always leave them below and I'll get back to you. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.